So I have been following Sadhguruji for some years now. I've been coming for his programs. I've been coming for Mahashivratri off and on. And every time I have seen it has been becoming bigger and better and grander. And I'm very happy because it's not just that it's like one big celebration. It's a celebration with a lot of meaning, significance. There's religion, there's science in it. And so that makes it deeper, more meaningful. And it brings us closer to our own culture. So that's all the many reasons that I come here for.
Each and every year you come here, do you do your yoga regularly? And when you come here especially for MSR, how do you see it? Along with a huge crowd and different things?
So, yes, I do yoga. I've been doing yoga for years. I do Sadhguruji's meditations sometimes. But when his events are there or his program is there, I make it a point to go because I always come back learning something, feeling brighter. And the meditation that he makes you do is always it makes you very still, very calm, and you want to stay in that moment. So Mahashivratri, when you come, there's many people in the whole complex. It's very busy. The volunteers are so busy arranging everything. And I must say, I have to compliment all of them. The way they take care of everything, not just of us, but of every detail. I am amazed at how such an event with so many people can go smoothly. It's all because they do it. And how are they able to do it? I think it's the energy that they sort of absorb from Sadhguruji or this place or the significance of meditation, spirituality.